Can you receive international payments with Tide? Ever since the internet revolutionized the way we work, the ability to receive payments from anywhere in the world has become increasingly important. Freelancers, remote workers, and even small businesses can now tap into a global marketplace, offering their skills and services to a wider audience. But what if you're using a financial service like Tide? Can you still receive those international payments with ease? That's a fantastic question, and one we'll be tackling in this video. We'll delve into the nitty-gritty of Tide's international payment capabilities, exploring the different options available, any potential fees involved, and some helpful tips to ensure a smooth experience. So, whether you're a seasoned freelancer already working with international clients, or just starting out and curious about the possibilities, this video is for you. The short answer, yes, but with limitations. Alright, let's get straight to the point. Yes, Tide does allow you to receive international payments. However, there are a few limitations to keep in mind. Currently, Tide only accepts international ACH transfers, also known as international bank transfers. This means that clients can directly send money from their bank accounts abroad to your Tide account. Now, while ACH transfers are generally a convenient and cost-effective way to move money internationally, they might not be the fastest option. Processing times can vary depending on the sending bank and location, but typically take several business days. Additionally, some international banks may charge their own fees for sending ACH transfers, so it's always best to check with your client beforehand. Exploring other options, international payment gateways. While ACH transfers are a good starting point, what if you need a more flexible solution for receiving international payments? Here's where international payment gateways come in. These are third-party services that act as intermediaries between your Tide account and your international clients. They offer a wider range of payment methods, including credit cards, debit cards, and even digital wallets popular in certain regions. The advantage here is speed and convenience. International payment gateways typically process transactions much faster, often within a few days or even instantly. However, there's usually a trade-off involved with fees. Payment gateways charge processing fees for each transaction, which can eat into your profits. Now, Tide doesn't currently integrate directly with any international payment gateways. This means you'll need to set up a separate account with a gateway service and then link it to your Tide account for receiving the funds. Popular options include PayPal, Payoneer, and Stripe, each with its own fee structure and supported payment methods. Important considerations, fees and regulations. Before diving headfirst into receiving international payments, there are a couple of crucial aspects to consider. Firstly, fees. As mentioned earlier, international ACH transfers might incur fees from your client's bank. Additionally, if you choose to use a payment gateway, you'll be subject to their processing fees. It's vital to factor these fees into your pricing structure to ensure you're still making a profit on your international projects. Secondly, regulations. International financial regulations can be complex, and it's your responsibility to ensure you're compliant. This might involve reporting international income to the relevant tax authorities or complying with Know Your Customer (KYC) regulations for international transactions. Familiarize yourself with the regulations in your location and those of your clients' countries to avoid any potential issues. Tips for smoother international payments. Alright, so you've decided to take the plunge and start receiving international payments with Tide. Here are a few handy tips to make the process smoother. Be upfront about payment methods. Clearly communicate with your international clients about the payment methods you accept, ACH transfer, or specific payment gateways. This avoids any confusion or delays down the line. Factor in fees. Remember to account for any potential fees associated with international transfers or payment gateways when setting your rates. Communicate clearly about processing times. Let your clients know how long it might take for their international payments to reflect in your Tide account. This helps manage expectations and avoids unnecessary inquiries. Stay informed about regulations. Keep yourself updated on any changes in international financial regulations that might impact your ability to receive payments. With that said, thanks for watching, and until next time, ***.